Hi guys, and welcome to Let's Up. Today I'm going to be showing you the most traditional knot in fishing history. That is the blood knot. You can use this for coarse fishing, sea fishing, river fishing, fly fishing, every single type of fishing you can use this knot for. So this is useful for any circumstance that is related to fishing. So I'm going to get my 10-pound line here and simply just thread it through the other side of the hook. So it's like this. Now you have line on both sides of the hook. Get the end line and wrap it round the other side of line about 8 or 7 times. Yeah, so you just want to wrap that round. So in your line, you want to have like 7 or 8 different loops there. Now, before we tighten anything, you're going to want to lick this with your saliva. The reason being is that it avoids all friction and will help keep the fish on the hook once it has hooked. Finally, we're going to bring the end of the line back round underneath the bottom loop, and then overall we just tighten, and there you go. You have your blood knot. Obviously, you're going to cut the end off of this bit. Now, you should notice, especially if you've put saliva on it, that if you try pull, it has very, very strong resistance, and that is not going to break as long as your line is strong enough. Thanks for watching. More fishing videos and nature videos are coming in the future. Please subscribe to help me with posting more content in the future so I can increase the budget and make better quality videos.